Важнейшая молния. Президент и Верховный Главнокомандующий Владимир Путин дал приказ перевести наши ядерные силы сдерживания в особый режим боевого дежурства. Это произошло на встрече с министром обороны Сергеем Шойгу и начальником Генштаба Валерием.
Attention, attention, attention. The Minister of Defense of the Russian Federation is speaking. Citizens. Rocket strike. 10 nuclear warheads were fired from the west. Presumably the missiles will reach the target in 10 minutes. It is assumed that the missiles will fall on the following cities: Moscow, St. Petersburg, Volgograd, Yekaterinburg, Rostov-on-Don, Kazan, Kaliningrad, Ufa, Pskov, Perm. If you are in the vicinity of these cities, we ask you to evacuate to a safe distance. If this is not possible, then find shelter near your home, place of work, school, etc. Shelter can be both a basement and a room inside a building made of durable material, brick, cement, earth. Stop radiation better than wood, drywall or thin sheet metal. As a shelter inside the building, it is better to choose a toilet, bathroom or barn located further from the outer walls and roof, because radioactive materials are deposited on the outer walls and roof. In a multi-story building made of brick or concrete, enclosed spaces on the middle floors are the safest. The most reliable shelter is the basement. Underground shelters can protect not only from radiation, but also from debris and blast. Prepare an emergency suitcase. It is desirable that there are several of them in the places where you are most often, at home, at work. They should have a change of clothes, water in closed bottles, hermetically sealed products with a long shelf life. Additionally, you should purchase FFP2 or FFP3 respirators, durable plastic bags, film/polyethylene raincoats, adhesive tape, preferably reinforced, household rubber gloves, eye protection goggles, nail polish remover or pure acetone, map and compass, dosimeter, potassium iodide, radio receiver. Radio may remain the only source of information if other communication networks are damaged by the explosion. In the event of a nuclear strike, you need to act quickly. In case of notification of a nuclear threat, immediately go to the nearest shelter and take your alarm suitcase with you. Unless you are in an underground shelter, stay away from windows and stay as far away from exterior walls and roofs as possible. If you find yourself outside during an explosion, you should immediately take cover, or hide in a recess or behind some solid object that can protect you. It is better to lie face down, cover yourself with clothes, cover your head with a hood or hands. If you are in a vehicle during the explosion, you must stop and duck inside the vehicle. Attention, citizens, the appeal of the President of the Russian Federation to the people of Russia. Everyone listen.
Dear citizens of Russia, today, I address you with a heavy heart and deep sorrow. Our satellites have detected missiles aimed at our country by the United States. We have only 5 minutes before these missiles will hit our land. I want you to know that we have done everything possible to prevent this catastrophe. Unfortunately, we could not stop this terrible act of aggression. My soul aches for each and every one of you and for our beautiful homeland. We say goodbye to our loved ones, family, and friends, but I am confident that we will die peacefully, knowing that we fought for our country and for everything it represents. We must remember our ancestors and forefathers who fought for the independence of our homeland. We must remember our beautiful lands, factories, infrastructure, and culture of Russia. We must remember everything we have created for humanity. But now it is time to say goodbye and accept this tragic fate for the Russian Federation. We will die, but Russia will remain in our hearts. I hope that someone among you will survive this nuclear plague and continue to live in the spirit of Russian history and culture. But if this does not happen, let our death be a happy ending for everyone, including us. With God, Russians. Let us sing the anthem of our country for the last time and accept death. Let everything be fine. As the inscription on the breast fortress says, I am dying, but I am not surrendering. Farewell, motherland. Mother of God, save Russia. For our homeland. For Russia.